Is Samsung intentionally making the S26 Ultra extra powerful in front of all other phones? Because the two things that have been leaked, new colors and 2nm chip, could completely change the mobile industry. What you will hear today, Samsung has not yet officially said. A fresh wave of color is shaping the S26 Ultra's identity, and it feels like Samsung is gearing up for something bigger than usual. The first hints from Ice Universe suggest a mix of classic elegance and a bold new attitude. And honestly, the excitement is already building. Early details confirm white and silver as two of the main finishes. Both carry that clean, premium look Samsung is known for, the kind of polished metal tone that instantly signals ultra quality. But the real spotlight is on the new purple finish. The way it's being teased makes it feel like Samsung wants this one to steal the show. Expect a deeper, richer purple that jumps out in marketing shots and looks striking on store shelves. Then comes the second wave of news. After weeks of leaks, Samsung has finally confirmed the Exynos 2600 and its upcoming launch. A short teaser video gave us our first official look. It opens with Samsung admitting the shortcomings of older Exynos chips with the line, "In silence, we listened," before shifting into confidence with phrases like "refined at the core" and "optimized at every level." The Exynos 2600 is expected to be the first 2nm smartphone chipset to hit the market, and early tests show it can stand shoulder to shoulder with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Samsung is planning to debut this chip with the Galaxy S26 lineup, though not every region will get it. With a new signature color and a next-generation chipset, the S26 Ultra is shaping up to deliver a fresh identity backed by serious power. Amazing! The Galaxy S26 Ultra is here to redefine flagship excellence, combining breathtaking visuals, lightning-fast performance, versatile cameras, and a sleek, premium design in one powerhouse device. According to Anthony, this could be Samsung's most refined and advanced flagship yet, pushing display quality, performance, and camera innovation to new heights. The 6.9-inch M14 QHD QE Dynamic AMOLED display is absolutely stunning. Richer colors, sharper clarity, and wider viewing angles. Plus, the new privacy screen keeps your content visible only to you, perfect for commuters, business users, or anyone who values privacy on the go. Prepare to be amazed. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy powers everything. Paired with an expanded vapor chamber cooling system, the S26 Ultra promises smooth performance, buttery gaming, and superior heat management even under the heaviest loads. Photography gets a massive upgrade, with the 200-megapixel f1.4 main sensor capturing ultra-detailed shots even in low light. Supporting it are a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 50-megapixel 5x f2.9 periscope telephoto, and a 12-megapixel 3x telephoto, delivering versatile zoom and stunning image quality across every scenario. Incredible! Battery life stays strong with a 5,000 mAh battery, now charging faster with 60-watt wired and 25-watt wireless options. Memory and storage are beefed up too, offering up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and storage options ranging from 256 gigabytes to a full terabyte, with 25% faster RAM speeds for effortless multitasking. All this power comes in a remarkably slim 7.9mm body, premium, comfortable, and truly flagship level. According to Anthony, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to launch at $1,299, a perfect reflection of its power and polish.